Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 20 June 2021. Here this is the problem. Toggle format list of words. The program must accept a list of words as an input. Then the program must print the output based on the following condition. If the input given in a horizontal order, we should reverse the list and we should print the values in a vertical order with the count. If they have given in a vertical order, we should print the values in a horizontal order with the total length of list. I don't know why, but I feel like I have already done this before. Like, uh, I will search for that video. If I found that, I will put that on comment. And if you guys could able to find this video or the past version of this video, uh, please help me to find that by providing the link on the comment. Here this is the problem we have to solve. We can easily get some set of input in a list using list of they are just a string value, so we can use input dot split of. So if we pass some set of inputs here, we will get all the values and we can print the values separated by, or we can print the values in a reverse order using this slice operation. Here inputs of set sum, we can print those values without these curly braces by using star. Here we got the input, but we should print those values in a vertical order, right? So for that we can use separation equal to slash n. By default it's just a space. We can override by using slash n. Now we can get all the inputs in a vertical order, which is reverse input of the given value. But if they have passed n number of inputs, we have no idea what is the value of n, right? So we can use something like infinite loop while 1 t equal to input dot strip and l list dot append of t. That's it. So if we run this program for some unknown amount of input, at some point we will face this EOF error, which is nothing but end of statement. Here if we just give enter space, it will consider as an input and the space will be added. But if we are passing the values through the compile time, we will get something called EOF error, which is nothing but it's the end. Like we have stopped providing input at some stage. Here the spaces are considered as a null value because I have stripped all those values. If I have taken that strip off, we will get some space here. So to get rid of this error, we should go for a exception handlers or error handlers. Here the list is empty and I am doing the same operation. I'm just going to do the same operation inside this try block. So if I try this one and I'm passing that should be like, if we try this, I'm passing. Come on. I think I have forgot something. Yeah, for the try block there should be a except block, like a catch except. We can specify this particular exception EOF error, or else we can use the common thing exception. This time we will just go for the particular one EOF error, and I'm printing the value inside list. Here I'm passing some amount of unknown inputs for n times, and finally I'm passing end of the statement, which is EOF. At this time we just got the value inside the list instead of error. This is how exception handlers act. Now we just need to print the values in a reverse order and separated by space, so we don't have to specify that. To get rid of that uh, quotation, commas and square brackets, we just need star. So if I pass n inputs, we will get the same. Like, I have forgotten to reinitialize this list value, so it just took this value and then this value also. Okay guys, now it's time to do that in a proper format. First we should get a input for the list. The reason I'm using strip and split, okay, list equal to input dot strip and split. If I pass some values like something and space, we just got something, not the space. But if I remove this strip, some space, oopsie, it should have space sometimes, like, okay. So to get rid of the additional spaces, I'm just using strip, but without strip it acts fine, so we don't need that. And I'm going to check if the len of list equal to 1, then we should do that. We should assume they are passing n inputs in a vertical order, so we should run a while loop inside the try block. While true, we can get temp equal to temporary input, and we can append the temporary variable or the value that's stored in a temporary variable. And finally, when we got an exception, we can print the value inside the list in a reverse order separated by space, or else we can print the list value in a vertical order, or which is nothing but separated by new lines. So if I run this program, this is an this is a line. We got line is this, because I have passed the values in a horizontal way and I'm passing the values in a vertical way. This is multiple input and I'm passing end of the statement at the end. Now we got input multiple is this in a horizontal way. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.